So today didn't go the way I planned. I came up from the Italian side, heading for Umbrail and Stelvio. That was the actual plan. The big one, the famous ones everyone talks about. But the weather had other ideas. Storm rolled in fast up there, and there's no arguing with the Alps when they decide to turn on you. Had to turn back. So instead I ended up on the Albula. And honestly, looking back, I got lucky. It's Sunday afternoon, and I had the entire pass to myself. 2,312 meters up in Graubünden, Switzerland. I came up from the Punt-Chamues-ch side, and this road doesn't get the same hype as Stelvio or Umbrail. Exactly why it was empty today. Not as brutal as Stelvio, not as technical as Umbrail, but it's got a rhythm to it that just pulls you in. Less about conquering something, more about just being in it. And Bergün was waiting for me at the other end. That's where the road drops you down alongside the river, through the gorge, cliffs on both sides, that old railway line weaving in and out with you all the way down. And that's exactly why the MV Agusta got to actually work today. No storm up here, no traffic, no camper van in front of me for 20 minutes waiting for a straight. Just open throttle, the triple singing through every switchback, exhaust bouncing off the rock instead of a horn behind me. Funny how that works. Plan for the big ones, get shut down by weather, and end up with something better. A pass to myself on a Sunday, no line, no noise, nobody else's pace to follow. That's the kind of luck you take every time. That's the Albula for you. Didn't plan it, but I wouldn't trade it.
It's difficult to communicate what it's like to ride a motorcycle. Because you know, if you've ridden a bicycle, you kind of get it. On a motorcycle, you're a little more vulnerable. So the stakes are higher, which I like. For me, it's the visceral quality of it. The vibration, the wind, the sound. And then it's just really a great place to think, to feel, to get away. You know, when I don't ride a motorcycle, I go through withdrawal. It's not good for my health. There's a stretch of two-lane out past the county line where the asphalt goes soft gold right at dusk. I don't think about where I'm going. I think about the version of me that started this ride and the one that's gonna finish it. They ain't always the same, man. Some roads don't take you anywhere. They just take something out of you and hand you back a little quiet.